In this video I will show you how to connect the Brave browser with Uphold account to see how much you earned using the Brave browser. So once you have the Brave browser opened, here on the right side you can see rewards and click on connect account. If you don't have this option here, you can click on this little icon. It will also open the Brave rewards, or just click on these three lines in right upper corner area, open settings. Here find option Brave rewards and click on connect account. Now choose the Uphold option. Click here to continue. Now you have to enter the verification code from your mobile. Now my Brave browser was successfully connected with the Uphold. I can see here my earnings. I earned so far this amount, and the next earnings payout date will be on 8th September. So this amount will transfer to this balance. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.